Good morning, students. So, as you all requested me to make a video upon factorization of cubic polynomial. So, today I am here to do few questions for you people over factorization of cubic polynomial. So, please watch this video carefully and repeat these questions by yourself and do practice again and again, then you will be able to do this question by yourself. So, first of all, the question is given to us: factorize x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. So we don't know which binomial or trinomial is a factor of it. So how to start it? The first step is, first let we have to name this polynomial. Without name though we can't do anything. So first of all, we are giving name to this polynomial. Let px is equals to x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Now, always for cubic polynomial, how to start factorization? Just see your constant term, and see this constant term and think about how many possible factors can be of this constant term. So factors of 2 can be, what can be the factors of 2? Plus minus 1 and plus minus 2. So bache, that means if we'll do factorization of 2, we can have either plus minus 1 or plus minus 2. From these factors only, we have to do trial and check the method. That means from these all four numbers, we will check out which one is a zero of this polynomial. So by trial method. See, I also don't know, nobody knows right now, like a student, ki which one will divide, yeah, which one if we put instead of x and we'll get as 0. So by trial method, what we'll do, we will put, first of all, see, it's your choice, you can put first 2 as well as minus 2, 1 as well as minus 1, but I'll suggest you people ki always start with 1. Okay, so maximum time in your syllabus a polynomial will get 0, remainder as 0 by dividing 1. So 1 means we are talking about remainder theorem, means putting x value as 1, maximum time will get remainder as 0. So p1, what will be my question now? Value to see why wherever is x, I am putting in 1 instead of x. Okay, to find out my remainder from remainder theorem. So 1 minus 2, sorry g, sorry 1, sorry, minus 1 plus 2. Now you can see plus 1 plus 2, that is 3, minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. So I can say this is 0. P1 is 0. Our remainder is 0. So in remainder theorem, we learnt if our remainder is 0, then, or you can say from factor theorem, uh, remainder is 0. So from factor theorem, this is x equals to 0, x equals to 1, say we are getting 0. So from factor theorem, I will say x minus 1 is a factor of px. Factor of px. It means if I'll do long division of this polynomial px by x minus 1, I must get 0 as remainder. Okay. So now let's start. Although there is a shortcut method to do this polynomial, cubic polynomial, as, to factorize this cubic polynomial, but I am not doing, I am doing it with by common way. which you can apply for each and every cubic polynomial. Each and every polynomial which can be factorized. Okay, so after this, that means long division we will do. X cube, I am writing my px only here, minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Okay बच्चे, for doing this long division, always just take care. For an example, first I am telling you people, here in corner I am telling you, if suppose I need to divide 72 with 2, okay, what do? You just check in 2's table where can I get 7 or less than 7. Okay, so 2 3 just 6, you do like this. Huh? But what is the difference in this division and polynomial division? Ki we always make our this number equals to this. We always make our this number equals to this, so that always our first term will get cancelled. You can say first term or second term means one term get cancelled. So now to make them equal, first thing, so we can do verbally also, but like this is first question, so you can't do verbally. So you can do one thing. Let me take rough page, otherwise here space problem will be there of space. Hanji, like just see bete, this was your solution I was making for you people. Now this x and this is x cube. I want to make these two terms equal. How to make equal? Write separately. Okay. Now see. This is division of like, see base is same. So what we do, we have learned in laws of exponent, we do 3 minus 1, that is x squared. Or still some students think, oh ma'am, we are not getting this. So what can you do? X cube upon x. So just this x cube you write like this, x into x into x, downside x. Okay. So what, and this x will get cancelled by this. What is left bache? X square. In this case also x square we got x square. So this x square we need to make these two terms equal. Okay. So what will I do? I'll write here x square, and now if I have written x square, next step what will you do? बच्चे like here you have written x square. हाँ, अब x square को बच्चे these two terms always divisor will be multiply whole by this number whatever we have taken out. So it will become x square into x, x cube, x square minus 1 minus x square. Clear? Or you can see directly here bache, this x square I have written. Now do this complete will be multiplied by this. Why will multiply? See, when we were doing division, so we were doing 2 3 just 6, we were writing here, है ना? So that means they will be multiplied and will be written downside this number, dividend में whatever is our dividend. So now x square multiplied by x will be x cube, x square multiplied by minus 1 is minus x square. Okay. Yes. Now bache, see in this example again. After doing this, always we were subtracting this 7 minus 6, 1 we were doing. है ना? So here also we will do subtraction. But in class 8, you must have learned that when we do subtraction of this polynomial, that means this is the bracket, one sort of bracket you can say, and you are doing minus here. So in such cases, signs will be changed. This sign will be changed. So what will happen? This plus will become of minus and this minus will become of plus. For your convenience, I am writing I am writing with red pen. Okay. Now, just see. This plus x cube minus x cube. They will get cut, bete. Now, it means we have not to see this. We have to see now this sign only. Okay. So, minus 2 and just see the coefficients. Minus 2 and plus 1. Here is 1. Minus 2 plus 1. That is minus 1. Minus 1 x square. You want to write minus 1, so you write minus 1, otherwise only minus is sufficient. Okay. Now write down all the terms. Write down all the terms. Now same step we will do. We'll make now this first term equals to this first term. So what is this? Minus x square. Minus x square upon this x. Only first term we'll talk about, bete. Okay. Minus x square upon x. Again this x will get cancelled by this 1x. What will be left? Minus x. Is it clear? Minus x. So it means minus x I will write here. Now in other words also I'll explain. Just see bache, now you are senior most. You can see ki how, what is required to make these two terms equal. ठीक है? So x and minus x square. To make them equal, what is lacking? So minus x is lacking only. So I have written minus x here. Okay. So now do this minus x multiply by this binomial. Minus x into x is minus x square. Okay. Now minus x into minus 1, that is plus x. Clear? Now same whatever we did here, we have to change the sign. Clear? So what will happen? See, this will not see now. This is of no use now. Minus x square plus x square. They will get cancelled, bachche. Now this is minus x and minus x. So minus 2x and this is plus 2. Clear, bete? Now again same step. Same step. This x and minus 2x. We want to make them equal. Okay. So what is required? Just compare these two terms. X and minus 2x. You can write on separate sheet, then you can do, otherwise here only x and minus 2x. So we can see only minus 2 is required. Okay, bete? So now do this minus 2 multiply by this. Minus 2x plus 2 and then will change the sign. Okay. So what will happen? This minus 2x plus 2x, this is not of any use now. Minus 2x plus 2x cancel, plus 2 minus 2 cancel. So my remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. So what we thought ki okay, x minus 1 is a factor of our polynomial. So yeah, it is factor of our this polynomial. Okay. Now what to do? What to do? Just as we know, in our junior classes we have done the dividend rule. What was our rule? Our rule was saying our dividend is equals to divisor, okay, into quotient plus remainder. Visible, bete? Our dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. In junior classes you have done. So in our case now डिविडेंड वॉज अवर पॉलिनोमियल दिस वन x cube and 2x square है ना. So my x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 is equals to divisor. Divide, from whom we divided? X minus 1. Quotient, what was our quotient? Quotient this, x square minus x minus 2. X square minus x minus 2. Okay. So now what can we do? This is the okay factor, simple factor, but this is quadratic polynomial. Can we do factorize it? Can we do factorize? Middle term breaking, just try to do. We did earlier 2 1 ja 2. Now we have 2 1 ja 2. Think of two number, we will multiply, we get 2, and if we do plus or minus, we get 1. So obviously 2 and 1. So just open this, x square minus 2x plus x minus 2. That means always this quadratic polynomial you will factorize here by middle term splitting. X minus 1. Now again pairing or grouping, take common, x minus 2 plus nothing is common here, so 1 in such cases. Okay, x minus 1. Now x minus 2 is again common in both. What will be left? X plus 1. So it means x minus 1, x minus 2, x plus 1. It means our polynomial is the required the given polynomial is splitted or factorized into these three factors, x minus 1, x minus 2, x plus 1. Hopefully this question is clear. I'll do one more question for you people, but first take a break and revise this video. Thank you.